Troops, good morning. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merge, pants, tuner, facial cleanser, tab battle po siya. Nasa tab battle. Kanina yung sachet, ngayon yung tab battle. Meron tayong pants, Acne Clear, Pure Conditioning Tuner, 100 ml, Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Pants Bright Pore Conditioning Tuner, 100 ml. Next, meron din tayong Pants Vitamin Micellar Water Brightening Rose, 100 ml.
Na-check out pa?
Nakabi. Next, meron din tayong Pants Vitamin Micellar Water Detoxing Charcoal, 100 ml. Unilever po yan. Available po yan sa mga malls, grocery stores. Available po yan sa mga grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Pants H Miracle, 10 grams. Next, meron din tayong Pants Antibacterial, Lawa 99% Coman, Facial Foam, 100 grams, Unilever po yan. And next, meron din tayong Pants Pure White Mineral Clay Face Cleanser Scrub, Deep Clean Purified with Charcoal, Unilever 90 grams po siya. Next, meron din tayong Pants Clear Solution Mineral Clay Deep Clean Oil Control with Lacto and Basil, 90 grams, Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Pants Acne Clear Facial Foam, Unilever po yan, 100 grams. Anti-acne facial foam. Next, meron din tayong Pants Acne Clear facial foam, Unilever po yan, 50 grams. Available lahat to sa mga malls, grocery stores, mga any grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Pants Pure Bright facial foam, Unilever po yan, 100 grams. And next, meron din tayong Pants Pure Bright facial foam with activated charcoal and Japanese green tea, Unilever po yan, 50 grams. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge, Pants, facial foam, facial cleanser, tuner, and scrub, battle pack. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect, always rise. Never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching.